Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate ganache. First, gather your ingredients. Good quality chocolate, either chips or finely chopped, and heavy cream. The type of chocolate you choose, whether dark, milk, or white, will influence the flavor. The ratio of chocolate to cream is crucial for achieving your desired consistency, from a pourable glaze to a firm truffle filling. Next, gently heat your heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until it just reaches a simmer, with small bubbles forming around the edges. Do not boil it vigorously. Once hot, immediately pour the cream over your finely chopped chocolate or chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl. Let this mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This allows the chocolate to melt thoroughly. After the resting period, begin stirring the mixture gently from the center of the bowl, slowly expanding your circles outwards. Continue stirring until the chocolate and cream are fully combined and the ganache is beautifully smooth and glossy. Be patient and avoid stirring too vigorously, as this can incorporate air and make your ganache less stable. A perfect emulsion is key. Your finished ganache is incredibly versatile. While still warm, it makes a fantastic pourable glaze for cakes, cupcakes, or even ice cream. As it cools, it thickens, becoming perfect for a rich frosting or a decadent filling for tarts and truffles. You can also customize it with a splash of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of coffee liqueur, or a pinch of sea salt for extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.